He is Malam Abubakar. His name has a deep effect on his personality. He is an intelligent, well-informed, hardworking, and a mindful cowpea farmer in Gombe State, Nigeria. This year, many farmers from his village are worried due to the current climate crisis that has caused unseasonal rainfall and unexpectedly high temperatures, leading to lower crop yields and incurred huge losses. They lost their cowpea crop. However, due to his wisdom, Malam Abubakar was able to get a bumper yield this year. When other farmers found this out, they approached him and asked, "What is the secret to this success?" He replied,
"The SAWiE app."
The SAWiE app?
Yes, it is a mobile application that guides farmers on the right thing to do, from soil preparation to crop harvesting and post-harvest management. All you need to do is to enter your farm location and crop type into the app, and the app will provide you with real-time information about your crop health status. SAWiE app gives advice about seed selection, optimum time of sowing, fertilizer application, and its time and method of application. SAWiE issues weather alerts to farmers and inform farmers about the pest squatting and disease threats, identification and control measures. That was how I was able to minimize my crop loss and increase productivity.
Due to his success, other farmers have started to use the SAWiE app. This is because the SAWiE app provided satellite data to them with unbiased and reliable information about their farm and crop, which is unique to them. Added to this, the app also provides information about certain crop types, crop diseases, and pests. Malam Abubakar's brilliance became a source to his success and inspiration for his fellow villagers. You too, think wisely and protect your crops and brighter future for your family. Please download SAWiE app and take advantage of this technology.